Tie the knot is a popular idiom used to describe the act of getting married, specifically when a couple formalizes their commitment to each other through a wedding ceremony. This idiom conjures imagery of two individuals coming together and figuratively tying a knot to symbolize the unity and permanence of their relationship. The phrase's origins date back to various historical and cultural practices, where the act of tying knots was used to symbolize the joining of two lives. In some ancient wedding ceremonies, couples would literally tie knots in cords or ribbons as a symbolic representation of their union. Over time, this practice evolved into the figurative expression we use today. Tying the knot carries a significant cultural and emotional weight, as marriage is a cornerstone of human society across the world. It represents a formal commitment to a lifelong partnership, often characterized by love, mutual support, and shared responsibilities. Marriage ceremonies, regardless of their cultural or religious context, typically involve rituals and traditions that symbolize the couple's commitment to one another. The phrase also conveys a sense of finality and permanence. When a couple decides to tie the knot, they are making a profound commitment to each other, acknowledging that their lives are now intertwined. This commitment extends beyond the wedding day, encompassing the shared journey of building a life together, facing challenges, and celebrating joys. Tying the knot is often used in celebratory and congratulatory contexts. When people announce their engagement or upcoming wedding, friends and family may offer their best wishes by saying, "Congratulations on tying the knot." It's a way to express happiness for the couple's decision to formalize their love and embark on the journey of marriage. Beyond its literal meaning, tie the knot can also be used metaphorically to describe any significant commitment or decision in life. For example, someone might say they are tying the knot when signing a contract for a long-term commitment, such as buying a house or starting a new job. In these cases, the phrase conveys a sense of dedication and responsibility, akin to the commitment of marriage. In modern times, marriage is a deeply personal choice, and the decision to tie the knot reflects a couple's desire to share their lives, dreams, and responsibilities. While the concept of marriage has evolved over the years, the phrase "tie the knot" continues to symbolize the enduring commitment and love that underlie this profound life decision. In conclusion, tie the knot is a widely recognized idiom that signifies the act of getting married. It encapsulates the profound commitment, love, and unity that marriage represents, drawing from historical practices and cultural traditions. Beyond its literal meaning, the phrase also carries a sense of celebration and well-wishing for couples embarking on this significant journey of life together.